This is assembly instruction of modular worm gearbox MV series. Insert bearing cover in the external side bearing housing. Then insert O-ring. Apply sealant on bearing housing and attach dry well with shims. Attach external side bearing housing to the front side of the case. Use sealant, shims for tight packing and removing gaps. Insert plug in the case. Insert a bearing cover at one end of the case for worm shaft to rotate smoothly. Insert worm shaft sub-assembly from other end of the case. Insert another bearing cover. Attach worm line oil catcher to the case using shim. Put worm line oil catcher on other side of the case. Check if gap exists between case and worm line oil catcher. Verify how many shims are required to remove the gap. Remove worm line oil catcher and attach it back temporarily using identified number of shims. Check axle play as per the requirement. Once free movement is verified, remove worm line oil catcher and shims and apply the sealant. Put back worm line oil catcher and shims and tighten with bolts. Once again, check rotation of the shaft manually. Insert worm line sub-assembly in the case. Attach external side bearing housing. Verify how many shims are required to remove the gap between the case and the external side bearing housing. Remove external side bearing housing and attach it back temporarily using identified number of shims. Match gear teeth of worm shaft and worm gear and adjust axle play. Now perform blew test. Blew test is performed to verify alignment between shaft and gear. Let us look at correct alignment. Apply the blue color on the worm wheel. Rotate the worm shaft. In a correct alignment, the blue color is sprayed on both the corners of tooth. Now let us look at wrong alignment. Apply the blue color and rotate the worm shaft. In case of wrong alignment, the blue color is sprayed across the both sides of tooth. Main reasons for wrong alignment are angularity and eccentricity. Angularity can be removed using feeler gauge and eccentricity can be corrected using a straight edge. Now let us continue with the assembly. Once matching is done, remove external side bearing housing and shims to apply sealant to the case. Put back external side bearing housing and shims and tighten with bolts. Once again, check rotation of the shaft manually. Attach inspection cover. Attach ventilator to case. Attach eye bolts. Insert oil seals on outer end of the shaft. attach fan to the shaft, fit the fan cover, and this completes the assembly of Modular Worm Gearbox MV series.